First a Lok Sabha defeat, then 3 assembly elections lost, then a Bihar debacle and now chaos in Karnataka. The Congress continues to bounce from one crisis to another. But is there any real soul-searching solutions and answers for the party cadre? Or is there still a collective state of denial and a concerted campaign to ensure that even, God forbid, even if there comes a point that the heat gets too much, even then, at least the high command, the powers that be, are insulated from all accountability? How else does one explain the outcome of the Congress's manthan over its Bihar election defeat? According to sources, in that meeting held yesterday for over 4 hours, Rahul Gandhi told the gathered party leaders and workers that the responsibility is a collective one. This despite the fact that the workers themselves were absolutely clear on where the responsibility actually lay. It lay with those who delayed the campaign launch. It lay with those who gave out tickets in a ham-handed fashion, and it lay with those who imposed outsiders on the state leadership of the Congress. Yes, this is not us saying it. It is all actual Congress men and women who fought and worked for the elections under the Congress flag.
कुछ अलग लगती बाहर से आ गए थे कांग्रेस में, जो इन्होंने अपना अपना एस्पैरोगैरा की तरह लोग काम करना शुरू किया। जो कांग्रेस में थे वो भी जो कांग्रेस से बाहर थे, टिकट का हेराफेरी किया गया, बड़े पैमाने में पैसे का हेराफेरी किया गया। ये सब चूक हुई हम लोगों से, जो हम लोग समझ नहीं सकते थे। ये हमने राहुल जी को सुनाया अपने खड़ोटा। नहीं, हार की वजह तो अलग अलग विधानसभा में अलग अलग है। बिहार का अलग स्ट्रैटेजी है। बिहार गठबंधन चुनाव लड़ी साथ में, तो उसमें कई सीटों पे फ्रेंडली फाइट भी हुआ, तो उसके कई बार फायदे भी होते हैं, कई जगह पे स्ट्रैटेजी की लड़ी आती है, लेकिन यहाँ पे वो उसका फायदा नहीं हो पाया।
डिटेल डिस्कशन हुआ, देखो 1-to-1 बातें हुई, ग्रुप में बातें हुई, सीनियर लीडर्स ने भी बात की, सबने अपनी अपनी बात रखी और बात से छन के आया कि ये जो वोटिंग पैटर्न है वो कैसे हुआ, ये जो जीत है एनडीए की वो किस तरह से हुई है और हम लोग आगे क्या काम करना है।
Yes, grassroots workers of the Congress were pointing out with stunning clarity where the problem and responsibility lay. But the leadership, now that is quite another story. Congress's state in charge, Krishna Alavaru, said that the margin of loss in the controversial tickets that were given out in Bihar was lesser than the margin of loss in the non-controversial tickets. I'm sure for the workers, this will be cold comfort. KC Venugopal, after the whole Samiksha exercise was over, again came back with the same reasoning, that the Bihar result was manipulated through SIR and vote chori was the only thing to blame. He declared that the 4-hour review meeting made one thing clear. The Bihar election was not a genuine mandate, but a grossly managed and fabricated outcome. But the best of all was to come from Congress leader Kumar Ketkar, who apparently is still to come to terms with even the 2014 Lok Sabha results. His reasoning is that it is the CIA and Mossad who are responsible for BJP and Narendra Modi storming to power in 2014.
टिकट्स में कंट्रोवर्शियल टिकट्स थे, बात सही, लेकिन आंकड़ों के साथ आपको बात करनी चाहिए। जो कंट्रोवर्शियल टिकट्स थे उनकी लॉस की मार्जिन जो नॉन कंट्रोवर्शियल टिकट्स थे उससे कम। तो कौन से टिकट बेचे गए? आरोप लगाना आसान
आणि मोसादने संपूर्ण एक स्ट्रक्चर तयार केलं। आपण मोसादला अंडर एस्टिमेट करता कामा नये, याचा अर्थ ओव्हर एस्टिमेट पण करता कामा नये। म्हणजे तेच सगळं असं नाही, पण ते एक महत्वाची संस्था आहे ती, आणि त्यांनी बारकाईने डेटा बनवले सगळ्या राज्यांचे, सगळ्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचे, आपल्या देशातल्या डिटेल्ड कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचे डेटा हा सगळ्यात जास्तीत जास्त सीआय आणि मोसादकडे आहे।
Which makes one ask, can the responsibility really be collective when the glorification was individual? Was there anything collective in the Jan Nayak posters that were splashed across social media during the elections? Was ticket distribution a collective decision, or why just Bihar? Look at Karnataka. The promises made to DK Shiv Kumar, were those promises taken by a collective? Will it be a collective that will take a final call on the mess that Karnataka is in at present? Or will all of this end solely at the door of the individual high command? And if the glory at decision making is individual, can the responsibility for the eventual failure be passed off as collective. Joining us on the show today, Tom Vadakar, national spokesperson of the BJP, senior journalist Sameer Chaugankar, political analyst Karan Verma. Advocate Kapil Madan will be joining us in just a bit, along with Congress MP Tariq Anwar. And my first question is to Dr. Suraj Mandal, spokesperson of the Congress. Dr. Mandal, literally everyone who came out of the meeting yesterday, at least the Karyakartas, were quite certain on what the real reason is. Let me read out for you what a man named Abidur Rahman said on camera. हम लोग से चूक हुई, बहुत बड़ी चूक हुई. कुछ व्यक्ति बाहर से आ गए कांग्रेस में जिन्होंने अपना अपना किया. टिकट की हेराफेरी की गई, पैसे की हेराफेरी की गई. And yet after all of this, you expect people to believe that it was vote चोरी और SIR. Your own leaders are saying that चूक आपसे हुई.
Thank you. I think I should thank you again for showing concern about Congress party. It must be coming out of the fact that strong opposition is indeed the need of the hour. But let me tell you, it's not something which we just presume. There are two stages where the responsibility is fixed. One which you have been talking about, that is the distribution of the tickets and all those facts about which there has been quite a lot of discussion, and people in the party, senior leaders, have been into it. But apart from that, I don't think it is just a mere imagination if we are saying that there was no level playing field. The SIR and all these steps which were taken by Election Commission of India was not really fair. If you allow me to elaborate, I'll tell you a few points on which we have our concerns. Number one,
you have elaborated those points often enough. Here's the thing. May I coming back to the original
No,
issue?
it's not. If you don't want to listen,
Sir, we have to address the issue at hand, because again what you're doing.
You allow me to at least give you the points.
Dr. Mandal, again
You
what
have
you are
also
doing.
come back so often saying that.
Again, what you are doing is sidestepping the real issue by taking it into the realm of vote chori and SIR. Why do I say this? You're saying that this is being addressed at two levels. Whereas, after the brainstorming happened yesterday, Mr. K.C. Venugopal, the first thing that he has said is that this is completely manipulated, that this is a result of SIR, that this is a result of vote chori. I did not see anybody in the top leadership say, yes, we messed up. This was a problem at our end. Your workers are saying it, but the leadership is still saying that this was a manipulated election via vote chori and SIR. Where's the recognition of the problem?
You don't want me to speak on how we have come to that. You want me to say what you presume, what you have quoted one worker, but you haven't gone inside the meeting and heard everybody over there. I can also pick up just one opinion to say that this was the reason for this.
I played out the statements of three people.
Let me tell you, it's not that simple that we often said that SIR or
there
something.
Is a man called
what I'm
Alam.
saying is again and again that there are certain steps.
There is a man called Tawqir Alam who says candidate announcement was delayed. Shakil Ahmed Khan said that tickets were given to only a few people. These are all workers. This is not one or two people. Repeatedly leave everything else, sir. Veerappa Moily today has said that if we leave aside Bihar, even Karnataka, he has said that the Congress High Command is to own up responsibility for it. It is again, like I said, your leaders who are saying that this is the problem. They are putting their finger on the real problem.
No, why don't you want me to elaborate on what I am saying about this election process? You just have put it in one line that we have said this often. Have you heard that why we are telling this again and again to you, and let your viewers also go listen to what we have to say?
Because
the fact that there were duplicate voters and the Election Commission of India was not using the software in which they could have detected. You are not saying at all that the people of BJP are quoting themselves on social media, showing that they have voted in Delhi, Haryana, and then they have come to Bihar to vote. You are not allowing us to say that this is not that the EVM when it was brought. The argument was that there used to be booth looting, but now the whole election is being looted and the whole process has gone digitalized. Someone with a virtual SIM abroad comes and deletes voters in Aland in Karnataka, more than 5,000, and the election commission has nothing to say on it. We also, people often say that why didn't you go to the court? No, do you see that we have gone to the court on SIR?
Our strategy was flawed. Whereas you are still insisting that the vote chori was done and the election was stolen from you. Both cannot be true at the same time. Either the flaw lies in your strategy or the entire election was stolen, whereas your strategy was perfect.
Both can't be true at the same time? No, we are not saying perfect, but why can't both of the things be said at the same time? Have you heard the BJP voters whose houses are being bulldozed in certain districts in Bihar? What they are saying about BJP? They are saying we have not voted, and some of them said we took money and voted, and now we are facing this bulldozer at our houses. So what do you say about that sort of mandate? The mandate in itself shows that there are lots of manipulation and the whole process has been not a very fair one. In fact, to the extent of the fact that the whole election has been rigged. And this I tell you very insistently again and again that you should try to find out that we went to the Supreme Court also on SIR. And do you know the SIR, this whole, the court is still listening to that.
Okay.
So where do we get justice?
Tom Vadakkan,
we have given our facts in the court.
That both can be correct. Yes, a little bit of soul searching is going to be done by the Congress, but essentially the problem was in the lack of a level playing field and the dirty tricks played by the BJP and Election Commission. Both are true. They are also a little bit at fault, but largely you stole the election.
Yeah. We are the real thieves. We are the thieves of the hearts of the people of Bihar. Let that be very clear. Our Prime Minister, led from the front, established a bond with the people of Bihar. They can live in a world of, fool's paradise to believe that it was a stolen verdict and what have you. We were sweeping. And why? Because the Congress party and its RJD companion was showing a kind of a situation where you would have Jungle Raj. People were scared of it. The streets would be empty because of this Jungle Raj threat. And then we had strategic meetings of our leaders across the state. We were not holidaying in Malaysia, Hong Kong, Bangkok, and Colombia. Our workers were 24 hours on the soil working. And this is something that the spokesman of Congress must understand. Now there is a talent search for spokesman. I hope he qualifies for that, and I wish him the best.
Dr.
Now,
Mandal.
second point I need to make here is, he talks about
my
an
qualification. You look at yourself. Sir, I am well qualified even to teach you in college.
Listen, I am 67-year-old. I've been chairman of the college.
No, please don't go on my qualifications. Okay. You show me your qualifications and I'll show you mine.
I don't have to compete with your qualification. I'm wishing you best. Can't you understand basic English? I said, wish you all the best to be selected.
Thank you.
But please if you don't understand English, take a basic course in English. I am not questioning your qualification.
No, don't worry. Your leader, Mr. Amit Shah, said that those who understand only English should be ashamed. Mr. Amit Shah, just listen to what he had to say on English.
You know, I want to bring in somebody
don't
now.
Preach on
joining
English.
us as member of Parliament. You know, Dr. Suraj Mandal, you said that we are quoting only 2 to 3 people. That is not the case. There are multiple leaders. You know, people who are members of your party, people who are MPs of your party, Faisal Patel, Tariq Anwar, they are joining us now. I want to quickly come to you, Mr. Tariq Anwar. You know, आपने बार-बार कहा है कि कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स थी जो आपने कांग्रेस के कैंपेन में देखी थी बिहार के अंदर. आप बार-बार उसके रेड फ्लैग कर रहे थे. क्या अब जब समीक्षा हुई है तो वो प्रॉब्लम्स एकदम क्लियर हो गई हैं कि क्या वो प्रॉब्लम्स थी? आप बता सकते हैं कि कहाँ कमियां रह गई थी?
नहीं, हमने ये कहा ज़रूर है कल जो मैंने अपना सुझाव दिया समीक्षा बैठक में, उसमें हमने यही कहा कि रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फिक्स होनी चाहिए और ताकि आइंदा आगे भविष्य में हर आदमी को इस बात का एहसास रहे कि जो काम हमें दिया गया है उसको हम पूरी ईमानदारी के साथ उसका निर्वाह करें। तो ये सुझाव तो मैंने दिया है और हमने ये भी कहा है कि ऐसे कदम उठाए जाएं जिससे आने वाले समय में संगठन को इस तरह की शिकस्त का या इस तरह की हार का सामना न करना पड़े।
आपने जो मुद्दे सामने रखे हैं, क्या आप थोड़ा सा और उसको डिटेल में बता सकते हैं कि क्या आपने सुझाव दिए हैं, इश्यूज क्या क्या आपने हाईलाइट किए हैं?
नहीं, हमने ये कहा ज़रूर है, कल जो मैंने अपना सुझाव दिया समीक्षा बैठक में, उसमें हमने यही कहा कि रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फिक्स होनी चाहिए और ताकि आइंदा आगे भविष्य में हर आदमी को इस बात का एहसास रहे कि जो काम हमें दिया गया है उसको हम पूरी ईमानदारी के साथ उसका निर्वाह करें। तो ये सुझाव तो मैंने दिया है और हमने ये भी कहा है कि ऐसे कदम उठाए जाएं जिससे आने वाले समय में संगठन को इस तरह की शिकस्त का या इस तरह की हार का सामना न करना पड़े।
पर तारिक साहब, आपने एक स्पेसिफिक बात मैंने आपकी सुनी थी, आपने कहा कि जो हमारा पूरा कैंपेन था उसको शुरू करने में देरी हो गई थी। क्या कोई वजह थी स्पेसिफिकली कि ये देरी हुई, कि कभी कैंपेन टेक ऑफ ही नहीं हो पाया?
यह भी सही है कि हम लोगों ने जो इलेक्शन कैंपेन की शुरुआत की थोड़ा लेट किया हो गया उसमें, और उसको बहुत पहले होना चाहिए था। और हमने ये भी कहा था कि जैसे एक इलेक्शन ख़त्म होता है उसके बाद ही हमको फिर दूसरे इलेक्शन की तैयारी में लग जाना चाहिए, लेकिन बिहार के अंदर दुर्भाग्य से वो काम नहीं हुआ। हम लोग जब इलेक्शन करीब 6 महीना बचा तब वहाँ राहुल जी भी गए, राहुल जी का प्रोग्राम हुआ, जो यात्रा उन्होंने किया, हालांकि 16 दिन की यात्रा थी उनकी, उससे लोगों में काफ़ी उत्साह आया था, ऊर्जा आई थी, खास के कांग्रेस वर्गों में बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस आया था। लेकिन बीच में जो कैंपेन का जो एक रूप होना चाहिए उसमें कुछ कमी हो गई थी। और प्रॉपर हमने ये भी कहा है कि प्रॉपर कोऑर्डिनेशन की कमी थी। आपस में हम लोगों का जो कोऑर्डिनेशन होना चाहिए था कैंपेन के दौरान में, उसमें कमी थी।
यहाँ पे एक तरफ बिहार में हार का सामना करना पड़ा, सिर्फ 6 सीटें ही आ पाई, 6 सीटों पे से बढ़ गई कांग्रेस। कर्नाटका में वहां पर अलग चल रहा है, एक रस्साकशी। इस सब के पीछे क्या वजह है कि अचानक जो है कांग्रेस एक के बाद एक हार, और अंदर से जो है उसका इस तरीके से इंप्लोजन हो रहा है?
देखिए, हमारी पार्टी डेमोक्रेटिक पार्टी है। हमारे अंदर यहाँ जो भी कुछ होता है वो सामने आ जाता है, जाहिर हो जाता है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी के दरवाजे खिड़कियां सब बंद हैं, इसलिए उनके यहाँ कोई कुछ नहीं बोल पाता है, कोई अपनी बात नहीं कह पाता है। तो ये वन ऑफ द रीज़न ये है कि एक डेमोक्रेटिक फंक्शनिंग में और एक डिक्टेरियल फंक्शनिंग में बहुत अंतर होता है।
Dr. Suraj Mandal, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thank you very much, Tariq Anwar, for speaking to us. You know, one of the senior most leaders that come from Bihar, one of the very few MPs, that the Congress has in the Lok Sabha from Bihar, and he today is unequivocally saying that there are problems, and these are problems that have been conveyed. You can't run away from there. कोऑर्डिनेशन की कमी थी डॉक्टर सूरज मंडल, और ये अगेन कोई अदना कार्यकर्ता या मैं नहीं कह रही हूं, ये आपके सिटिंग एमपी कह रहे हैं। कोऑर्डिनेशन की कमी थी, कैंपेन की शुरुआत में बहुत देर हो गई।
नहीं मिस्टर,
टिकट्स जिस तरीके से दिए गए उसमें प्रॉब्लम थी।
Shri Tariq Anwar is a very senior leader. Obviously, what he has said carries meaning, and I again say that when he has marked out things, that is not out of place. I have not denied that before you right now. I told it that the discussions are at two levels. The one level is in which the leaders who were in the meeting including Shri Tariq Anwarji, have pointed out things, and obviously the party leadership will have to take those into account, will take those into account. And then there are things which are concern of the democracy, which the people through your channel should also know. I mean, it just cannot be brushed aside to say that there were trains carrying people from Haryana, and those were all against the election rules, and the election commission is just a mute spectator to all these things. And whenever we have tried to point out things, the election commission doesn't come back to any of the opposition parties with any reply. You can see what is happening with TMC in Bengal also. So all these things are not out of place, ma'am. And when I'm putting it before you,
if you are going to do both sides of the story, you are not going to reach the root cause at all. How can both of these factors still be at play? If you are saying that vote chori hua tha, then the election was fixed, then where are all the problems? You are essentially saying that none of the problems that are being expressed by your party workers are true, because the election only was stolen, right?
No, I didn't say that none of them are true.
Karan
And
Verma.
secondly, when there are people
Karan
who
Verma,
have...
sir,
And I
Karan Verma.
hope now Padmaja, please, this is not fair. I request the highly qualified Dr. Suraj Mandal to please give me a patient hearing. He has peddled so many rumors, so many lies that I need to rebut them. You know, when he says about vote chori, it needs to be put on record. 0 appeals during the SIR, 0 vote recounting appeals by the Congress party, no request for CCTV footage, 100% complete accurate match between whatever VVPAT and EVM machines have been matched so far. So that is where we stand. Let's put this vote chori to rest. But then people who are delusional can't do that. I actually, Padmaja, agree with what Kumar Ketkar has said, that it is the CIA that is responsible for the 2014. I think he doesn't know the full form of CIA. I think it is Congress Intelligence Agency. Because the Congress's intelligence agency, which is headed by Rahul Gandhi, today has the honor of 95 election losses. And these people still say that this is democracy. No matter how many losses you have, Rahul Gandhi is going to be the de facto leader. The man who did a Bharat Jodo Yatra can't keep his party united anywhere. Not in Rajasthan, where you had Gehlot versus Sachin Pilot. Not in Karnataka, where you have DK Shiv Kumar versus Siddaramaiah. You had a group of 23, which included people like Kapil Sibal, Ghulam Nabi Azad, Jyotiraditya Scindia, who said that even elections in NSUI have not been held. We've not added an entire generation of voters. But all of this is never going to be looked at, Padmaja. The 2014 AK Antony report is still gathering dust in the Congress headquarters in some place of Akbar Road. So this is the Congress party for you. No matter what happens, 0 accountability for Rahul Gandhi. The Parivar is on some other pedestal. It is either the workers' fault or CIA or Mossad or vote chori. Until they do this, they will continue to self-destruct till it's reduced to nothing.
Kapil Madan, so we've reached the point where from vote chori it has gone right up till Mossad.
So, Padmaji, let me say one thing very, very clearly. I mean, once you have an internal debates, you will have discussions, you will have different viewpoints. And I will, as a person, I would like to say one thing. I mean, the first step in, taking right direction is that you accept and acknowledge, yes, there is some problem which needs to be fixed.
No, but is there an acceptance of that? Who has accepted?
Allow me to finish, Padmaja. So what I'm trying to say here is that, you have an election loss. Now, the result, there could be many reasons because of which you have, this result. First is that there is an acknowledgement. There should be an acknowledgement that we are facing this situation like they've done in Karnataka. What they done in Karnataka, they came up with one constituency and they have given empirical data how, voters were manipulated and how, voter list was manipulated. They also gave very empirical data in
Kapil
Haryana.
Madan, again, who has acknowledged the problem that the entire strategy or the campaign was not run in a satisfactory manner? Worker after worker, Tariq Anwar over here is saying that problem was within. Who has acknowledged it? I haven't heard a single leader make the acknowledgement that yes, your concerns are valid. And these, by the way, were people who had pointed it out during the elections as well. They were ignored then and they are ignored now.
Now, Padmaja ji, we have a situation where just before Bihar election, there was an SIR exercise conducted by Election Commission. Now, I'll just ask just one question. In fact, I've said this before also. There is an example for Haryana Now, who takes the responsibility if you have more such examples coming from Bihar where
Kapil
voters were
Matan, I'm simply
diligent?
asking you
Hold
a
on.
question for
No,
the
I am
nth
responding.
time.
Yes.
If
Now I
you
am
have
responding.
people
Hold on.
saying ticket distribution was a problem, if you have
So
people saying that the campaign strategy was a problem, if you have people saying that our campaign was started too late, has anyone in the Congress party acknowledged that problem? Or you are still like a broken record going to go on and on about vote chori?
No.
It's
No,
exactly
no,
what's happening in
no.
Karnataka. Karnataka,
No,
DK Shiv
no.
Kumar is saying
Allow
broken
me.
promises made
Allow
to
me
me
to-
are the problem, but you are sitting here and saying, no, this is all a figment of people's imagination. There is no problem
No.
in Karnataka.
No, perhaps, Padmaja, let me, I opened my statement by saying that there should be an acknowledgement of what has happened. And
Who
that's
has
the
acknowledged
first
it?
step. Hold on.
Who has
I am saying,
acknowledged it?
no, hold on. Padmaja, I mean, I can't finish if you keep on interrupting me like this. What I am trying to say here is whether, internal factors that contributed and resulted in, having this kind of a result, whether there were external factors, whether there was similar, situations of what we've seen in Mahadevpura constituency and what we've seen in Haryana.
What were the
All
internal
these needs to
factors,
be
Kapil Madan?
deliberated.
What
All
were
I'm
the
saying-
internal
no, once there
factors?
is- no,
This is
no,
exactly the problem. It's like you're in a
No.
state of denial. I am
No.
asking you
I
for
have
the
not
last
denied,
20
Padmaja.
minutes,
I am saying
what
no,
were the internal
everything needs
factors
to be-
responsible?
No, Padmaja, can you pinpoint at this point in time because of X reason, you have this result in a discussion? Of course, once you
I
have
don't
a
have to
discussion,
pinpoint
deliberation,
it.
you have
People
so that's-
who we have
that's-
spoken to are telling you what were the factors
So
responsible.
perhaps-
जो लोगों को
perhaps-
जीतना ही नहीं था उनको टिकट्स दिए गए. जिन लोगों को
जी,
पता नहीं था कि कौन लड़ करके जीत सकता है वो डिसीजन मेकिंग कर रहे थे. Those are the internal factors. और ये मैं नहीं कह रही हूँ.
What you are saying that is your view.
This is
That
not
your
my view. This is
No,
Tariq
that is
Anwar,
not-
Congress MP's view. This is
Padmaja
view
ji, that's
of a
not-
man named
No.
Tawqir
No, allow
Alam.
me to-
He fought the
No,
election.
Padma-
This is the view of Shakil Ahmad Khan, leader of the Congress. This is the view of Avidur Rahman. These are not my views.
No.
If
So,
there are
Padmaja ji,
internal
what I am
problems
trying
and
to
you're
say
not
here-
acknowledging them and you quickly want to run away and hide behind SIR, there is going
No,
to be absolutely no
no.
solution.
No, Padmaja ji. I have, in fact, I would like to reiterate, perhaps you have missed what I said earlier. I have said that there should be an acknowledgement of what has happened.
There
and you
should be, so we are all agreeing.
Again,
Where is
Padmaja
the
ji, I mean, this
acknowledgement?
can't happen.
Who has
I say
agreed?
one line and you don't let me explain.
Because
I
you
say
are
one
saying
line and
things
you don't
like
let
there
me
should
explain.
be.
I don't know. Maybe what I am going to say, it's very inconvenient for the show, or it's very
It is hardly
inconvenient.
inconvenient for the show, sir. It is
No.
inconvenient for the party.
No. So perhaps allow me to make my point. No. Allow me to make my point. How can you assume what I'm trying to say? So what I'm trying to say here, once you have a discussion where you are analyzing these results, there could be deliberation and you have to explore every single factor which could have contributed and which could have resulted in this kind of a situation. I am saying at this point in time, there are several leaders who are expressing their views. They are every individual who works for any party, every person who is in a political space, he is entitled to his views. And I mean, it's not that at this point in time you can pick one statement and say that
I really don't get it. Samir, let me get it. Samir Chaugankar. Samir जी ये तो वैसा ही हुआ कि आपने पूरा समीक्षा कर ली 14 दिन बाद. उसके बाद जब पूरी रामायण खत्म हो गई तो आपने कहा देखो वोट चोरी हुई है. हम हारे तो वोट चोरी की वजह से हैं, जहां बीच में लोग बैठ करके कह रहे हैं कि नहीं सर बड़ी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स हो रही थी. फिर आपने उन सब की बातें सुनी और एंड में आपने बोल दिया हाँ वो सब तो ठीक है पर हुई तो वोट चोरी है. ये कैसी समीक्षा है? और अब आज बैठ करके कह रहे हैं देयर शुड बी एन एक्नॉलेजमेंट. द रियलिटी इज देयर इज नो एक्नॉलेजमेंट.
पद्मजा, अभी तारिक अनवर बता रहे थे कि समीक्षा रिपोर्ट बैठक में आज हुई है. बिहार के अंदर कांग्रेस 40 ईयर से सत्ता के बाहर है. आई थिंक लास्ट इलेक्शन 88-89 में भगवत आजाद और जगन्नाथ मिश्र मुख्यमंत्री थे. उसके बाद 40 ईयर्स होने को आ गए. कांग्रेस बिहार के सत्ता से बाहर है. हर इलेक्शन के बाद कांग्रेस समीक्षा बैठक करती है और कांग्रेस का हालत ही होता है. अभी मंडल साहब कह रहे थे कि वोट चोरी हो रहा है. 2010 में तो मनमोहन सिंह की केंद्र में सरकार थी. उस समय तो 4 सीटें आई थी बिहार के अंदर कांग्रेस की. क्या था? वोट चोरी हुआ था. आप लगातार बिहार में चुनाव हार रहे हो। दिल्ली में मैं आपको बता दूं पद्मजा, 2014, 2019, 2024 में कांग्रेस का खाता नहीं खुला। 2015 विधानसभा, 2020 विधानसभा और 2025 में कांग्रेस का खाता नहीं खुलता। 6 इलेक्शन में कांग्रेस का खाता नहीं खुलता है और हर इलेक्शन में इनकी यहाँ समीक्षा बैठक होती है दिल्ली में और कहते हैं हमने समीक्षा बैठक की है, अगले चुनाव में हम बेहतर प्रदर्शन करेंगे। तो कांग्रेस जमीन पर अगर संगठन नहीं बनाएगी, कार्यकर्ताओं की नहीं सुनेगी, राहुल गांधी अगर जाके संगठन का काम नहीं करेंगे तो कैसे तय होगा। और आज राहुल गांधी को क्या बिहार समीक्षा की बैठक जरूरी थी या कर्नाटका में इतना बड़ा संकट हो गया तो डीके शिव कुमार और सिद्धारमैया को दिल्ली बुलाकर आज मीटिंग करनी थी। कांग्रेस के अंदर सरकार, सड़क पर कांग्रेस लड़ रही है और राहुल गांधी बिहार की समीक्षा बैठक ले रहे हैं। आज की प्रायोरिटी क्या थी राहुल गांधी की? राहुल की तो प्रायोरिटी ये थी कि वो आज बैंगलोर चले जाते, डीके शिव कुमार और सिद्धारमैया से बैठे जो इस तरीके से सड़क पर लड़ रहे हैं तो राहुल गांधी तय नहीं कर पाते। जब चुनाव प्रचार का समय आता है राहुल गांधी मध्य प्रदेश चले जाते हैं, सेकंड फेज की वोटिंग के पहले वहां पचमढ़ी में मध्य प्रदेश की बैठक लेते हैं, वहां वो सफारी करने चले जाते हैं। तो राहुल गांधी भी तो तय करें ना कि वो किस तरह की पॉलिटिक्स करना है। कृष्णा अल्लावरू को आप बिहार में भेज देते हो, बीच में उनके हटा के आप अशोक गहलोत को भेज देते हो, तो आप अशोक गहलोत से पूछिए ना, जब अशोक गहलोत को जिम्मेदारी दी तो बिहार में यह हाल क्यों हुआ है? कृष्णा अल्लावरू जिम्मेदार है। प्रदेश अध्यक्ष इस्तीफा दे रहे हैं आज राजेश राम, उनका इस्तीफा लेने को आप तैयार नहीं हो। इमीडिएट आपको बिहार की पूरी कार्यकारिणी को बर्खास्त कर देना चाहिए था। मुझे लग रहा है कि यह खानापूर्ति है। 2014 के बाद एंटनी रिपोर्ट की बैठक हुई थी, एंटनी को बताया था हार के लिए। क्या हुआ एंटनी रिपोर्ट का? एंटनी रिपोर्ट दी थी ना आपके सीनियर लीडर ने, क्या उस रिपोर्ट में कांग्रेस ने कोई वर्किंग की इतने इलेक्शन हारने के बाद भी?
डॉक्टर मंडल, and after all of this,
आपके वर्कर्स को आप बुलाते हैं, बात करते हैं,
हाँ, और कार्यकर्ताओं को कह रहे हैं कि अब हम सबकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है। भाई जब आप चुनाव लड़ रहे थे, यू सेड दैट ही इज द जननायक, ही इज द फेस, बट नाउ द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ द लॉस इज टू बी शेयर्ड बाय एवरीवन। व्हाई?
बिल्कुल।
No, why you don't want us to say that he's Jan Nayak? And secondly, what do you think? Tariq Anwar is not a senior leader. When he is saying that he was in the meeting, he has addressed the meeting with certain points which he has actually told you in the show also. Then this means that the party is reflecting on that.
How are
you
they
just
reflecting?
cannot say that
How are they reflecting
this
when again
whole exercise
you are quoting the
there is
reason
no
as
acknowledgement.
FIR.
And secondly, let me also say that there is a big lie being said. You said no complaint every time. On
Sir,
every
how is
social
the party
media election
reflecting
commission
if the only refrain we hear right now is of
they are
vote
being
chori?
shown that CCTV is being switched off.
Karan Verma,
We
where
are
is the
being-
reflection?
they are
I mean,
being
I don't
shown
see the reflection.
that the,
Kapil
truck
Madan,
is
Dr.
coming
Suraj
inside
Mandal,
the,
they are constantly
counting
saying,
hall.
we have
But
heard
you're
the
not
complaints,
trying to just-
we are going to
you're
reflect on
brushing
it.
that aside.
What kind of
There is
reflection can we
this
expect from
actually-
people
this
who are
election
not
is
even
rigged.
acknowledging the problem in all their public pronouncements? Did you hear any Congress leader come out and say, yes, there is a problem, we heard Tariq Anwar and we agree कि campaign हमारा बेकार
Tariq
था?
Anwar is not a Congress leader.
Arey sir, but he alone is saying he has been unheard. He was saying that there is a problem in the campaign, there is a problem in the tickets even during
No,
the
he was
election.
not unheard. Who told you?
If he's
Who told
heard,
you he was unheard?
if he's heard,
He was
which
not
party
unheard.
leader said, yes,
There
what
has
Tariq
been
Anwar is saying is
discussion.
correct?
You don't expect
Who in the
us
High
to say
Command has said
everything
that what Tariq Anwar has said
what
is
happened
correct?
inside.
Who in the party high command has acknowledged Tariq Anwar? What he has
That
said?
is being reflected upon. There will be. They will come back to you. It's now. It's not just
It is being
immediately.
reflected
They
on,
should.
Parmesan. 2014
Okay, they will come back.
What Tariq
They will
Anwar
come
said
back.
was
Karan
exactly
Verma, they will come
right.
back like they came back on the Antony Committee report.
So there is a reason, Padmaja. They've not been in power in Bihar for 38 years, Uttar Pradesh for 36 years. They've not come back. Kapil should know this. They've not come back to a single state ever after 2011. They've never been elected back. They said there are issues within, coordination issues. You had coordination issues with Hooda and Shelja, Kumari Shelja. You had them with Sachin Pilot and Gehlot. Where have you learnt? You've not even acknowledged. When will that stage come of learning? Will it come in 2047? जब विकसित भारत होगा तब आएंगे वो। जब आप 2014 का आज रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहे हो, आप कब रिफ्लेक्ट करोगे? पद्मजा, द जोक इज ऑन दोज पीपल नाउ इन द कांग्रेस पार्टी हु स्टिल कंसिडर हिम अ जननायक। राहुल गांधी तय करेंगे, एक मित्र ने कहा, वो तो तय कर चुके हैं भाई। दीज आर राहुल गांधी वेज, accept it or not, but these people like Suraj Mandal still consider him a Jannayak. They are still dying to call him a Jannayak. A Jannayak was lost 95 elections. What sort of a Jannayak is he, bhai? Where does he enjoy this Jannayak, this mandate of people?
Dr. Mandal.
That is the problem. These people are the prisoners of their own minds. They need to now call, they need to reclaim the Congress party now.
What do you mean? when the election campaign was being held,
I'm coming to you, Kapil Madan,
all
I'm coming to
the
you.
election campaigns addressed by Mr. Rahul Gandhi was attracting much more people than what Mr. Modi did. And you want to say that nobody is considering him as
That's
Jan Nayak.
entertainment
When the
value,
voter
sir. You
Adhikar
mistake
Yatra
that
was
for
on,
votes.
there were lakhs of
That
people
is
on street
entertainment
with him.
value, Dr. Suraj. People
You
come out to see
cheated
him.
on, you rigged. That is why
People
the vote
come out
is
to
not
see him,
there.
but don't vote for him.
And what a great lie you are saying.
Oh my God.
Every time we have given
What do you do?
89
What do you
lakhs
do
of
about this,
complaints
Padmaja?
to Election Commission of India.
Oh God.
Then why are
12th
you
June,
blaming
the election
Mossad?
commission invited you, you didn't come. You didn't give a single complaint in an affidavit. I mean, in which world are you
Who
staying,
said? Who
Padmaja?
said that?
All lies
Election
spread here.
Commission rejected them.
You know,
Padmaja, can I just
Was a
Okay.
single complaint given on an affidavit?
Kapil
Did he
Madan,
come to meet
Kapil
the EC on
Madan,
12th
you know,
June? Did he
it's
even reply to the letter?
It's laughable that the
18,000
only answer you
affidavit of
have
Samajwadi
of
Party
people
was
raising
thrown in the
concerns is,
dustbin.
we will get back to
18,000
you.
affidavits.
If you actually had to get
Let me-
back,
I'll-
you
I'll-
would have
I'll-
given
I'll-
reasons
I'll give
for
you a satisfactory
2014.
response.
You would have given reasons for assembly losses. You would have given reasons for what happened in Haryana. And last of all, you at least would not be coming back 11 years later and saying Mossad and CIA rigged the elections against the Congress. Come on, sir. This is turning into a joke.
Now, Padmaja, I will just expect I am not interrupted when I make my point here. Now, if you apply the same yardstick, if you apply the same principle, in Delhi, BJP lost badly 2015 elections under Mr. Narendra Modi. It was fought under Mr. Modi's name. Did any kind of samiksha happen? Did the same logic applies? Will Karan ask questions to Mr. Modi that there was a
Yes,
terrible loss?
Samiksha happened,
Hold on,
which is
hold
why
on,
they came
hold on,
back and they
hold
won
on.
2025.
Hold on.
And when they
Padmaja,
lost
hold on.
consecutive elections, they did
I'm
not
sorry,
say कि vote
Padmaja,
चोरी हुई है.
Padmaja,
I'm so
again,
glad you
again.
brought it up.
Padmaja,
Yes,
no,
the
Padmaja,
BJP
hold
lost,
on,
the
hold on,
BJP were
Padmaja.
trounced by the Aam
Allow
Aadmi
me to-
Party. But did the
Padmaja ji,
BJP say
allow
कि
me.
vote चोरी हो रही है? No.
It's
They
unfair.
went,
It's
they
unfair.
fought
Allow me
again,
to finish
and
my
they fought
point. No.
again, and they fought again
Now
till
give
they
me- let me
finally
give
won
you-
in 2025.
Let me give you.
Which is what
Padmaja,
the
let me give
Congress
you-
should be doing.
No,
Taking
no,
the battle
Padmaja.
to the BJP
Padmaja,
and
they
fighting
can't.
hard.
Padmaja, let's have equal opportunity. Let's have equal space. Let me give you some hard fact, and then you give a rebuttal. 2015 lost under Mr. Modi. 2020 Delhi lost under Mr. Modi. Punjab lost in 2017, Mr. Modi. Thereafter, again Punjab lost in 2022. Again, Mr. Modi was made the face. In Karnataka, they've lost. They've lost under Mr. Modi's face 2018 Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh. 2018 Madhya Pradesh was also lost. Jharkhand was lost in 2019. Tamil Nadu was lost in 2021. So, I mean, what I am trying to ask you is, in 2024, I mean, they said that they will have.
You're
they will
absolutely
cross
right.
400
You
this,
named
that.
you
Hold
named
on,
10
hold
losses
on.
under
Now, allow
Mr.
me to
Modi.
finish. No,
I
allow
will
me to
add
finish.
3 more
No.
to it.
Allow
But
me to
in
finish.
those 13
Allow
losses,
me
did
to
they
finish.
once say
No.
that vote chori happened?
No.
They
Allow me to
recognized
now-
that there was a problem.
No.
There was a problem in their
No.
strategy.
No.
They went
No.
and campaigned in Kerala, they lost. They
So,
went and
you
campaigned
have an
during Lok
example-
Sabha in Kerala,
No, so
they still
you
got
have an
only one
example-
seat. But did
No,
they
hold
say
on.
vote chori was done?
No. In Karnataka, Congress has won. Still, they have came up with data in the Karnataka constituency, and they have shown and displayed how manipulations have happened. What's the answer? I mean,
But
it's
did they
wrong
say
to
that
say.
vote
It's
chori
wrong to
happened,
say.
Kapil
Hold on.
Madan?
It's
That is
wrong
the
to
whole
say.
issue.
No.
On the one
Padmaja,
side,
no.
you should have
I
a
am
party
saying despite
which,
vote
when
chori,
they
they could
lose,
not
say
make
yes,
in Karnataka.
the problem
In
is
Karnataka,
within
despite-
us. Or you
No,
can
Padmaja,
have
all
another
I'm
party
saying-
which says
No.
everyone but us is to blame. We did
No,
the best that we
Padmaja-
could, but the system was rigged against us. How will you ever make amends if you
No.
basically are blaming extraneous factors and not looking within?
No, I am glad, Padmaja, that you have quickly drifted when I have given you the data. You don't apply the same yardstick on Mr. Modi. You don't ask. Karan is not asking the same question. They are not asking why is Mr. Modi continuing as a prime minister, because
Can I
despite
answer?
having
I
a
want to
mandate
answer you.
of 303 seats, they came down to 240. Mr. Vadakkan
Okay.
is also here. Mr.
10
Modi
seconds,
doesn't
Karan
take
Verma, then I'll go to
responsibility.
Mr.
Hold on.
Vadakkan, because I think
Allow
Tom
me- no,
Vadakkan
hold
should
on, hold
answer
on.
this question.
Two more factors.
You know,
Two
you
more
keep
factors.
raising questions
Two
on the
more
leadership
factors.
of Rahul Gandhi,
Chandrababu
but
Naidu ji,
multiple
hold
elections
on.
were lost under
Hold
Mr.
on,
Modi.
hold on.
10 seconds, Karan Verma, then Mr. Vadakkan. 10 seconds only.
Can I please answer? Yeah. Each and every loss that Kapil pointed out, there is a tweet from the Prime Minister acknowledging the victory of the other and saying we'll come back strong. and they've come back strong and won Delhi. They've come back strong and won many of the states after that. That is what real politics is about. And your Karnataka claim, busted by K.N. Rajanna, a man who was shown the door had to resign as the minister. So your lies have been busted by your own people time and again. It's time you heard it. You smell the coffee.
Okay, Mr. Vadakkan, respond.
Well, it's very interesting. This release by Sri Venugopal, I think, is predated before the elections. Essentially, even after the surveys that were done, it was clear and very clear to the Congress High Command that they were losing. And that was the narrative they finally signed off. There was a meeting, they got together, and they realized the weak points, and the resolution was, it is the same narrative that we'll continue that you're hearing here. Number one. And there was this dialogue about our losing in various states. Yes, we lost. We did not blame the Election Commission. We did not blame the EVM. We said, yes, we'll fight it out. Prime Minister acknowledged defeat. And we're not asking for Rahul Gandhi's resignation because we know he won't resign. There's no question of his resignation because he's there till his mother is there. And it is mother and son that will rule the Congress party. These are all wasting time. So let us get to the point that this is all about the dynasts. And dynasts won't change. They will now spread the butter across the board to say, well, we are all responsible and we are ready to get beheaded. Spare our leader.
You know, since we're talking about the first family, as it were, Ahmed Patel had the year of the first family, one of the most trusted lieutenants. Faisal Patel, his son, now joins us. Faisal Patel, you've spoken up again and again that there is a problem within. Now, the Congress thinks that there are extraneous factors as well. What do you make of the bigger problem right now?
See, it's a totalitarian government right now. And what I mean by that is there's problems in the economy, price rise, inflation, unemployment. I'm a believer in universal healthcare, universal housing, and all constitutionally backed institutions are all compromised. We need a strong opposition. So Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi, they're lost Gandhis. They're not like Jawaharlal Nehru. They're not like Indira Gandhi. They're not like Rajiv Gandhi. These two need to leave the Congress because it's just not affecting the Congress party. It's also affecting the country.
No, but while you may think that, the lost Gandhis, as you call them, are not fit to leave the party anymore, but they also have advisors. Isn't it their role to give them the right advice? Why should the onus just be put on the Gandhi family?
Mr. Venugopal, you have Shashi Tharoor, Mr. Kharge, Kamalji, P. Chidambaramji. These are fine leaders. They were all my father's friends. They have to lead the party now. That is the correct thing to do. Okay, so there will be people who are saying again and again, Faisal Patel, thanks very much for joining us. And it keeps coming back to that, Suraj Mandal, that there will be people like Tom Vadakkan who were once in the Congress saying, there is an issue here, please recognize it. There will be people like Faisal Patel who will then leave the Congress. They will say, these are the lost Gandhis. He is putting the onus right at the doorstep of the Gandhi family. Something which, again, let me remind you, Veerappa Moily is saying that this buck stops at the Gandhis. They should take ownership and not look for reasons outside or for excuses.
You were just speaking about dynasty. I think you saw in Bihar, Mr. Kushwaha's son came all the way from abroad and he was not even a member of any legislative assembly or council and he was sworn in as the minister. Similarly, there are 8 people who are just due to their dynasties. So now coming back to what you said on Mr. Patel's observation and others, fine. They are all respected people and their observations may hold good or bad, but question is, when you are trying to fix the onus on one person, you are just targeting Mr. Rahul Gandhi. That is not fair. You don't want us to come on other factors. Which,
I am not targeting. Veerappa Moily is hardly my spokesperson. Veerappa
you are
Moily
more
is a
loyal
former
than
chief
the
minister,
people
former
who
union
are
minister of
trying
yours,
to attack the
not me.
Congress.
This is your leader, sir. And he is not the only one. I want to bring back Sameer Chaugankar because Sameer ji, kal jo meeting mein hua hai, this is classic. हमने सिर्फ कुछ ही अभी आवाजें सुनी है, बट कल मीटिंग में कई ऐसे लोग थे जिन्होंने अपनी आवाज उठाई थी, जिन्होंने कहा था कि सर ये जो हुआ है बहुत गलत हुआ। इनफैक्ट मैं तो कहीं यूट्यूब पे देख रही थी, एक पत्रकार और बता रहे थे कि जब टिकट का बंटवारा हो रहा था तो किसी को बताना पड़ा राहुल जी को कि जिस बंदे को टिकट दिया जा रहा है वो तो अब कांग्रेस में है ही नहीं, आप उसको एक इकलौता कैंडिडेट कैसे सोच सकते हैं, क्योंकि ये आदमी छोड़ के जा चुका है। एंड देन वी आर सपोज टू बिलीव दैट सारी गलती बाहर की है, अंदर की नहीं।
बिल्कुल पद्मजा, और ये जो कांग्रेस राहुल गांधी का ये जो एटीट्यूड है कि कुछ भी हो जाए इलेक्शन, बस दूसरे के ऊपर अपनी जिम्मेदारी डाल दो, इलेक्शन कमीशन को बोल दो और खुद बचकर निकल जाओ। मुझे लगता है राहुल गांधी को जिम्मेदारी लेना चाहिए। टिकट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हो रहा है तो आपको देखना चाहिए ना, सेंट्रल ऑब्जर्वर आप भेजते वो किस लिए भेजे जाते हैं? वो इसलिए भेजे जाते हैं ना कि ऑनेस्ट और पार्टी वर्कर्स के हिसाब से टिकट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया जाए। आपने कृष्णा लहरू को भेजा, आपने अशोक गहलोत को भेजा, आपने भूपेश बघेल को भेजा, आपने तमाम अपने लीडर्स को वहां पर भेजे, तो आप उनसे पूछिए ना कि आपको जब भेजा गया तो आपने वहां क्या किया। और बिहार तो ठीक है, बिहार के अंदर आपकी कंडीशन खराब है। राजस्थान में आप अशोक गहलोत, सचिन पायलट का इतना स्ट्रांग होल्ड आपका रहा, आप वहां लड़ाई नहीं निपटा सके, चुनाव हार गए। आप छत्तीसगढ़ हार जाते हो, आप मध्य प्रदेश हार जाते हो, आप महाराष्ट्र में लोकसभा में इतना बेहतर प्रदर्शन करते हो और उसके 6 महीने बाद आप विधानसभा चुनाव बुरी तरीके से हार जाते हो। हरियाणा में जहां तय था कि कांग्रेस सरकार बनाने की स्थिति में आ रही है, वहां हरियाणा आप हारते हो, उसके बाद आप 6 महीने बाद हुड्डा साहब को फिर से लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन बना देते हो। तो मुझे लग रहा है कि कांग्रेस के अंदर हर जगह एक गुट बना हुआ, वही कांग्रेस को चला रहा है। राहुल गांधी जमीनी स्तर पर समझने की स्थिति में नहीं है, उनका किसी के ऊपर ट्रस्ट नहीं है, वर्कर्स से उनका कनेक्टिविटी नहीं है। केसी वेणुगोपाल लंबे समय से जनरल सेक्रेटरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बने हुए, केसी वेणुगोपाल की कोई अकाउंटेबिलिटी नहीं है कि केसी वेणुगोपाल से पूछा जाए कि आप क्या जमीनी स्तर पर देख रहे हो। मुझे लग रहा है कि कांग्रेस में जब मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे ये कह देते कि मैं हाईकमान से पूछूंगा, राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष के बाद इतनी ताकत नहीं है कि वो तय कर सके उन्हें क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है, तो ये कांग्रेस की स्थिति बता रहा है। मुझे लगता है ये बहुत बुरा समय कांग्रेस का लगातार चल रहा है और आने वाले समय मुझे नहीं लगता कि कांग्रेस के अंदर कोई सुधार होगा, क्योंकि राहुल गांधी किसी भी तरीके से आत्ममंथन करने की स्थिति में नहीं है। वह सिर्फ ले दे के इलेक्शन कमीशन का आरोप लगाते हैं।
डॉक्टर मंडल कह रहे हैं आत्ममंथन हो रहा है, डॉक्टर मंडल कह रहे हैं आत्ममंथन हो रहा है, हम इस पे भी मंथन कर रहे हैं, हम SIR की भी बात कर रहे हैं, सब चीजों पे मंथन हो रहा है। करण वर्मा, everything is going to be a basket.
Yes.
Everything is going to be considered and pondered. Karan Verma, last 30 seconds.
So Padmaja, now we should be done blaming Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi is clear about what he stands for. It's now people like Suraj Mandal who need to show some spine and say that I need to reclaim the Congress party. If they can't do it, it's their responsibility. If you are conned once, it's called stupidity. If you are conned again and again, it's your fault. So it's the Congress workers now who need to stand up and say that he is not our Jan Nayak. We need to fix accountability. We need to reclaim our party. Something Kapil Sibal said, Ghulam Nabi Azad said, Jyotiraditya said, every person of some merit was sidelined in this party. There is a reason why this is happening. It's time they reclaimed that party. We need a credible opposition. Unfortunately, India doesn't have one right now.
You know, every single Congress worker owns this party. It doesn't belong to any one individual, any one family, any one group. And if after all of this, the person who was in charge of ticket distribution comes and says that some of the tickets that I gave, the margin of loss there is better than the margin of loss in other tickets. Is that your level of accountability and is that your level of soul searching? Not us, but perhaps the Congress members, the Congress cadres need to ponder that. This is where the buck should stop. Thanks very much, gentlemen, for joining us. Quick break.